Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the basic terminologies of computer graphics. First one is the resolution. Resolution means the multiplication of width and height. The maximum number of points that can be displayed in the output. It is represented by W into H. Here, W is the width and H is the height of the display device. Now, aspect ratio gives the ratio of the vertical points to the horizontal points is known as the aspect ratio. Pixels. Each screen point is the reference, is also called as the picture element or the pixel. The smallest part of the display is the pixel. Now colors. Each pixel is represented by colors. The color can be black and white, gray or RGB. In black and white color represented by 0 or 1. 0 is black here and 1 is white. Hence, it is 1 bit color, not 2, and in gray pixel it contains a value from 0 to 255 and it is an 8-bit color. In 90s and in 70s to 90s we have the gray pixel TVs. Now the RGB model which comes from red, green and blue model. Here for red, green and blue we have various of colors from 0 to 255. To represent the RGB we have different colors 256 into 256 into 256. It is a 24-bit color. RGB is also known as full color or true color of the system. Now, in this RGB model, this diagram plays an important role. You can see from this diagram that here in the middle point where all the values of x, y and z coordinate is 0, it denotes the black color. Here white means red, green and blue, all values are 1, 1 and 1. That's why this position is the white color. Then in RGB we have first red. So if the red is 1 and another one are 0, that means the color is red. And the opposite color of red is the cyan. Then if we have the value of 0, 1, 0, it indicates the color blue, and just the opposite of this color is yellow. If we have green from this data, and the opposite of green is magenta. From here we can see that the opposite of green is the magenta. The opposite of blue is yellow. The red is cyan. And in the middle point we have the white color. The formula for transforming RGB to CMY and CMY to RGB is this one. Cyan, magenta and yellow. Cyan is the opposite of red, magenta is the opposite of green, and yellow is the opposite of blue. Decoding. Basically, images are collection of several pixels with color in computer graphics. Decoding is an algorithm that provides some amount of storage space for each pixels. That pixels is coded with a color. In the delete color we have 3 bits: red, green, blue. It represents the red bits, the blue bits, and last one is the red bit, then the green bit, and last is the blue bit. If all bits are 0, then the color is black. If all bits are 1, the colors are white, that we have already seen in our previous slide. If we have 001, we will have the color blue. If we have 010, we will have green. If we have 100, which is red, and cyan is also the opposite position of the red. That's why the color code of cyan is, instead of 1 we will use here 0, and 0 will turn into 1 and this 0 will also turn into 1. So 011 is the cyan and 100 is the red, and all other colors are the same. Now the index color. The, the palette itself is stored in the limited number of distinct color such as 4, 16 or 256 are the most common cases. Here we have 0 for 1, cyan, for magenta for 1, blue for 2 and cyan for 3. These color codes are known as index color. Now, the lookup table. A color lookup table class is a way to transform a range of input colors into another range of input colors. For example, it could be a software function that incorporates into an image processing application. Here in index, we have values from 0 to 255. The value of red, green and blue can be transmitted from 0 to 255. From a several range of red color, green color and blue color, we can create a new color. This is known as the lookup table. We will discuss about displays in our next slide. That's for today. Thank you.